How's it going, YouTube? This is another day up here working on shit. So, the latest progress here. This here. You can't really see over here for some reason. But, gotta clean this mess up. But I got the front end off the other truck, and it's sitting right there. And then there's the rear end off it too, so. It's out of the snow, because right now we're getting a snowstorm, so. At least I have it. So I'm gonna do some measurements, see what I think about putting it on this frame, and then I'm gonna fix the cab. I went and I painted the inside of it. I gotta get some better light, but anyway, I paint it with the rust primer, and that way it's not gonna rust away any worse. And then I'm gonna cut some pieces and weld the patches in and see what I can do with that. On this side, I want to, you can't really see, I gotta get some better light, and I'll tell you about it in a bit. So, here we go. So, I'm trying to put the clutch on it right now. Here's the clutch pedal out of the other unit right there. You can see it's cast. Well, the one in this truck, it's steel, which, whatever, but this is one I'm gonna try and use. So, anyway, what I want to do, probably use this pedal if I can. But if I can't, what I'm going to do is use this pedal, set it down in place there, and then I'm going to run this pin, and I'm going to grease it and slide it straight through, and then there's a cotter key that you put on the other side of it. And I can't see why that wouldn't work, so that's what I'm going to try to do here. So here we are, I got it all done. I had to weld that on there because this was starting to fall off, but that's the setup. Yeah, I know that's a spacer and it looks kind of dumb, but it's going to be hidden anyway. So anyway, what I did is I just took the whole unit off of the actual manual truck. So this here, and I had to cut this section out and switch it, well, it was over here, and I had to switch it to this side so that this will line up with the brake booster. And I just put this on the same spot that it was on the other truck, which was actually on the outside, so I had to put some spacers there so that it didn't interfere with that. And then there's a C-clip on the end of it, and it's all greased and got bushings all through it. And everything seems to work right, so I'm gonna go throw it in the truck. Alright, so it's all back up in place. And the brake's obviously connected, but everything bolted right back in. There's lots of room for everything, and so yeah, pretty happy with that. So next thing is this floor, which is completely destroyed. I cut that section where the seat bolts down because of that. That. So, and of course, I only got a couple discs left, and something caught that the wrong way and fucking ripped a chunk out of it. So, awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna start piecing this together and see how I can do. See if I can get any progress with it. Well, here we are, slowly picking away at it, and well, I mean, the only piece that's really in is this piece right here, and then this bottom piece in here. And it's not welded all the way, but I don't think it really matters. So this panel's got to go over that, and then I got to cut a hole in it, or drill a hole in it for that bolt for the cab mount. And it's gonna need something over there in that corner too. So it's gonna have a bend on it maybe. I don't know, I'll see. I got that all welded back into it, and then this one I gotta take and go here and bend the lip up on it for this, and I gotta weld it all the way down, or sorry, I gotta bend it all the way down, and then I gotta weld it all the way around as best as I can. And it's a pain in the ass because this here metal is so thin, I can't get the welder to weld to it properly. And not only that, but even if it was good metal, it would be difficult. Well, it's rusted, so it makes it even more difficult to get a decent weld on it. So it's been a pain, very slow and very painful, painstaking process. So anyway, that's what it looks like. So underneath, it looks pretty bad still. You can't see, sorry. Show you guys another time.